This is the cheapest way to get leads on Facebook right now. Most people don't even know it exists. Save this video, alright? Now, most people are wasting their money running hard to website that don't convert. Landing page that is boring and too long, that even take almost forever to load, right? People click on your ad, they get confused and they leave. And at the end of the day, no leads, no sales. Meanwhile, smart advertisers are doing something different. They are getting leads inside of Facebook. You don't need a website and you get lower cost. How does this work? People putting their details right on the Facebook app without them having to leave Facebook, right? And this is the cheapest way you can get leads on Facebook. No website complication, no website loading delay. Not sending people to landing pages that never convert. I know that the simple steps it works. Step one, when running your ads, you want to use the lead objection. How do you do that? You go to your Facebook ad manager. When you click on create, select leads. Not traffic, not engagement, not sales, but select lead. Facebook is going to find your buyers for you with this objective. Step two, which is your asset level. This is where you do your budgeting and targeting. You tell Facebook who you want to reach, who you want to target, and your budget. All right, you can start with as little as 3,000 naira to 5,000 naira per day to test your ad, all right, and see what works for you. If your budget is too small, you're going to get bad data or even delayed data, right? So you don't want to be coding like a snake. Facebook needs at least 50 conversion in 7 days to optimize your ad properly. So you want to spend as much as possible to get at least 50 conversion. What does this mean? If you are running a lead generation ad and a lead costs 200 naira, that means you need to spend at least 5,000 naira to get at least 50 leads in 7 days, depending on how much you are being charged per lead. Now, after you have selected your budget, the next thing to do is to select your targeting. Please don't start interest. Use broad. Go with broad. Facebook AI know your buyers well, alright? The AI can automatically find your best buyers. So there's no point trying to stack interests that don't even work, trying to confuse algorithm. So just leave your targeting blank. For your location, if you sell in Lagos, Abuja, Jos, please put in only your state there. Like, but if your service or product can deliver nationwide, then you can put the whole of your country, right? And you are good to go. But if you are selling to only a specific state, because there are a lot of people in SCT, in Lagos State, in your own state, so there's no point trying to reach other places. Now, after you have set your budget and your targeting, which is zero targeting, click on next to go to your ad level. This is where you set up your ad. Here you put the videos, the pictures, the flyers, the things people see of their timeline when they are scrolling. All right, this is where you set it up. Now, on your asset level, don't select messages. All you have to do is to select instant form. All right, select instant form so that you can click on next to your ad level. Now, on instant form, you can ask people for their name, their email address, and their phone numbers, right? And even a few details if you want to. You can even decide to put a few questions like, are you ready to start now? How much is your budget? Do you have an international passport? What type of property do you want? All those kind of questions. If you add it to your form, it's going to filter serious buyers for you. But they are optional. So you can just take their name, email, and phone number, right? And your secretary can get to call these leads and convert them, all right? And you make more money, all right? This is one of the cheapest way you can get leads on Facebook, right? Without a website, without complicated funnels. And now another secret you can use again with this instant form is that after when you set the form, you can even decide to send people to your WhatsApp. How do you do that? When you get to the form, you're going to see if people have filled form, where you want to send them to. You can create a WhatsApp group and put the WhatsApp group link there or your WhatsApp DM link there. Alright, so that after they fill the form, Facebook is going to redirect them back to your WhatsApp, right? And you can get to communicate with them both on your WhatsApp or on your email system, right? These leads can be downloaded and sent to your email system, your SMS system, your CMRO system, or you can even get to call this lead manually and close them. Now, the next step you want to consider is you want to use at least 5 different creatives, all right? Not one hard, different hooks, different videos, different images, different flyers, different UGC videos. You want just to use different videos and put it out to the market, all right? See, let me tell you, one winner can change everything forever. You can do 10 creative, but only one that is going to work. And only that one that will work, you can cover the loss you have made, you have gotten. That's how this will work. Try different creative and see the one that is going to stop people from scrolling and respond to your business. Now, the next one to consider again is that what actually make you money in your business is not on the ad manager. The result is tied to your offer, it's tied to your creative, and it's tied to your follow-up. So you want to make your offer more persuasive, all right? You want to add more bonuses, more customer services, more after purchase services, or just make your offer enticing so that people feel stupid saying no, all right? Then your creative, so I've said it already. Try out different creative here to see what's going to work for you. Then once I start getting this lead, follow up, send them email, send them WhatsApp reminders, call them, and so on. Follow up is very, very important. All right. Now, that is exactly how can get cheap leads and make money in your business this year. Like now, I trust you have gained value in this video. If you have gained value in this video, make sure you like this video and you share this video so that others can benefit from it too. And if you want me to implement all this for your business step by step, I actually do this for a lot of businesses, alright? And I can help you too. Now, if you are serious to grow your business and you have at least 200,000 naira to put on Facebook to run ads your business for the next 30 days, you can send me a DM, right? And I'm going to see if you are best fit to work with. And if I depends on like to do it on yourself, I also have the Facebook course that just costs 30,000 naira, right? So you can learn all this step by step, right? And grow your business this year, right? Either you want my online academy or you want me to run ads for you, you can send me a DM, alright, and I'm going to respond to you. Peace out.